So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add animations to an image here on Canva using Canva Desktop. So once Canva's opened up, go ahead and add an image to your design. So if I wanted to right here, add an image, I'll just keep with the theme of New York with the Statue of Liberty right here. There you go, there's Lady Liberty. By default, if we were to go ahead and present this right here, I'll just press on present. Hopefully I can get that going. If that works for me, it's not working. I'll just press on present right here. There's no transitions, there's no animations whatsoever. Now, if you want to add one, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here. Go to where it says animate, press on that just like that. You can either create an animation yourself or you can just sort of add. So you can add the brush animation so that it appears with a brush. There's the ink animation, just like that. There's the digital animation, whatever the case may be. There's the sketch animation, just like this, just like that. Once that's done, for example, if I were to go ahead and press on present, and then press on present, the image now appears with the animation. So very cool, very straightforward, very simple. That is how to apply, or I guess add animations to images here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.